PSM is the Process Safety Management of Highly Hazardous Chemicals. It's found as a regulation in 1910.119. It's a OSHA citation that dictates 14 different elements of procedural controls that you have to have in place to control the hazard of the chemicals in your process. So do you apply to the PSM standard? Well, that is dictated by whether or not you have met the threshold quantity of a highly hazardous chemical that's either listed on Appendix A by name or meets the criteria for characteristic hazards in the standard body itself. So why do we focus on process safety as opposed to other forms of safety? Well, in this context, process safety can be thought of as a tiger, and personal safety can be thought of as a lion. The lion, when it attacks something, is loud, it roars, and it jumps over the grass, and it goes headstrong right into its prey. A tiger is always there, it's still hazardous, but you don't see it until the moment that it attacks. So process safety is one of these things that we look for because it doesn't show itself. We have to search it out. And so a PSM program, a strong PSM program, searches out that tiger that's providing a hazard without you seeing it. When it comes to PSM, KERAMIDA has service offerings across the board. Most commonly is the compliance audit. The compliance audit is when we come in and look through your whole program and ensure that it meets those compliance requirements at a minimum and goes above and beyond where we can. PSM is generally feared in industry. It's seen as something that's so complicated, it's very hard to comply with, and so it's avoided or it's just left out of compliance. We can help you with that. We can make it a more smooth process. We can make it something that you can reasonably comply with on an ongoing basis and successfully reduce those tigers in the grass, successfully reduce that hazard that you don't see coming. Give us a call, we'll talk through your process, your program, your lack of a program, whatever it may be, and we'll come up with a game plan to bring you into compliance with this complicated standard. When you reach out to us, you're going to talk to me or one of my qualified colleagues about your process. We're a small company, and we will integrate directly with your process to learn what it is that you do, to learn how you do it, what is your plight, what are your challenges, and bring all that to bear when it comes to providing you a customized and effective process safety management program.